Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Malik Ali and I'm a Facebook ads expert, lead gen specialist in the real estate industry. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how it was possible to generate Tory Cain right here. This is one of my clients, how we got him 86 leads. Okay, actually guys, this is the Facebook ads manager. This is the the behind the scenes, the dashboard. You could see, guys, right here it says 86 leads. Okay, I'm gonna zoom it in and look a little bit. Zoom in. Okay, 86 leads for $2.39 per lead. Okay, $2 per lead, 86 leads. And guys, this was in 3 weeks. Okay, you could see right here it says 1st of March, from the 1st of March 2021 to the 21st of March. Okay, so 86 leads for less than $3. Okay, and this was buyer leads. Right here we have seller leads. You could see my mouse pointer right here. We got 24 leads for almost $10 per lead. Okay, seller leads is more difficult and more expensive than the buyer leads. Okay, and this, guys, this is just a $10 per day budget. Okay, if you have $10 a day to spend in the next 3 weeks, you can actually do this yourself. Okay, you can get 86 leads or even more for just $2 per lead. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the exact systems we use, the systems we have in place, and also I'm going to show you how we could get you the same results. Okay, if you want that. Okay, so let me show you some more stats right here. Okay, so right here it says 86 leads for for 3 weeks. We had 86 leads, $200 total amount spent. Okay, so if you have $200, you can also do this as well. Okay, so reach out to me. Click there's gonna be a button below this video. Click the button and schedule a free call with me, and I'm gonna see if I can help you do this, generate you these results for your business. Okay, so Tory got 86 leads in 3 weeks, and he booked a few appointments, he scheduled a few showings, and he's even about to close his first transaction in the next few weeks. Okay, I just spoke to him. He said in the next 2 to 3 weeks he's gonna close his first transaction. Okay, so guys, this actually works. Okay, so how does this work? Okay, what is the process like? So let me show you right here. Let me show you the ad. We use Facebook ads and we utilize specific systems in place. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it works right here. So for example, we want to use, all right guys, so as you can see, this is the ad we ran on Facebook that got us those results. Okay, this is the ad templates. Right here you can pause this video and read this. I'm not gonna read this, obviously. Okay, so this is the pictures we use. Okay, we use canva.com to use high quality pictures like this. It says learn more. So you're gonna target your prospects on Facebook and you're gonna run this ad and show it to them. Okay, and right here it says learn more. They're gonna click on the learn more button and they're gonna follow the process. Okay, so how is the process? We use a Facebook lead form. Okay, a Facebook lead form is a form Facebook provides you with, which is inbuilt inside Facebook. When they click on this button, they're gonna fill out the form. Okay, it has the name, email, address. Actually, let me see if I can pop out the form. All right, so here's the form right here. Once they click on the learn more button, they're gonna you're gonna ask them, do you own a home? Yes, no. This is to tell you if these people maybe they currently own a home. So using this strategy, you could as well generate seller leads. Okay, if they say yes, then they currently have a home which they would love to sell. Okay, so they click on the next, they go to the next page. Right here, this is where you're gonna collect all the details. Okay, the first name, the email, and phone number. This is where you're gonna collect the leads. Okay, so how do we set this up? We set this up with automations. Okay, with software tools and automations. Okay, so once people come on Facebook and click on this link and they give you their name, phone number, email address, we're then gonna take those details and send it to you to your SMS text message. Okay, we use this tool called Zapier right here. Okay, guys, Zapier is an automated tool. It integrates several softwares, 2 softwares or more. It integrates them together. So you're gonna get this lead in real time. Okay, once they come on Facebook and they put in their details, we're gonna take the details and send it to you. Okay, it's gonna come in form of a text notification. Okay, it's gonna be sent to your phone as an SMS text notification. You're gonna get the leads, which then you'll have to call them and follow up with them. Okay, so this saves you time. This speed to leads is key in this business. You have to call your leads within the first 5, 10, 15 minutes. Okay, so you don't have to go to your Facebook and manually download all the leads. We're gonna set up all the systems in place to send you these leads as soon as they come in. Okay, and guys, we have everything in place. We have a CRM which will help you convert. We use the Lion Desk CRM. We have a text and email drip campaigns. I'm going to show you right here. 30 days. Okay, this is a 30-day text, email, and drip campaigns. Right here. Let's see if it will come up. Okay, guys. So this is home buyer drip campaign. Email number 1 sent immediately. Text number 1 all the way to day 30. Okay, we have all the templates right here. All the templates for your autoresponder, your text drip campaigns, both for home buyer leads, and seller leads. This is seller lead drip campaign. Okay, so we have all the templates in place. If you want to run a listing ad, if you want to run a custom list ad, you want to run an open house, seller leads, buyer leads, whatever you want as a real estate agent. If it's got to do with lead generation, we can help you do that. Okay, so click the button below and schedule a free call with me, and I could see if I can help you. Actually, let me show you the templates right here. Okay, guys, so this is the template right here. You can see we have seller templates, all the templates that work, and all the results it generated for clients, the screenshot, everything, guys. So it's completely straightforward and honest. Okay, all the ads, the templates, listing ads. I'm going to show you the buyer lead, the visual samples, home buyer guides, open house, new listings, and open house. We have all the templates that work. We have all the templates we've ran for our past clients. Okay, and the templates that have generated some great results. Okay, so if you'd like me to help you with this, you want to generate, you want to do something about your lead gen, you want to generate leads. Okay, click the button below or reach out to me on my Facebook. We're gonna hop on a free call and see if I can help you with this. Okay, thank you so much. This is actually, let me show you my Facebook. This is my Facebook right here. Go to my Facebook and chat me up on Facebook. Okay, send me a DM on Facebook, and I look forward to working with you. Okay, bye bye, take care.